Ha.
Next.
Ba.
Ba or da?
Da.
Read the. Say the words now.
Word. Cat. Kite.
Wait. Ka. So ka and ka is the same sound. If we are so what is this sound? No. Ka and ka. Same sound is same, but this is
Clicking ka and a
class 10s. Class 10s. Then kicking ka. Okay? Kicking ka. Kite. This is
egg.
this is this one.
Hot.
Hot.
Hot. After this one.
You go sit there. Okay. Next. Next.
Da.
Okay. Say now words. What is this ka?
Cat.
Next.
Eat.
This one. Okay. Eat. Next. Rat.
Hot.
Hot. Are you feeling hot?
Yeah. Hot. Mat. Dog.
You can make the sentence cat. One sentence. You sit. I'll ask you to.
Cat is happy.
Cat is happy. Why? The cat's stomach is full, drinking milk. So because of that, cat is happy. Okay, kite. Kite.
The kite is flying on the sky.
Very good. Okay, eat.
I am eating my food.
Very good. Now you can say
The rat is running.
the rat is running like you. Okay, now hot.
The sun is hot.
The sun is hot. The milk is hot. Okay.
The food is hot.
The climate is very hot today. Like that you can say. Okay, mat.
The mat is very
The
cold.
mat is very cold.
Mom, the mat is in our room.
In our room. Okay. I am using mat
In our room.
near the door. Okay, dog.
My dog is very sweet.
Your dog name is, what is your dog?
Scooby.
My dog name is?
Scooby.
Yeah, you can use like that sentence, okay? This is second group, okay? What is this?
Second group.
This is second group.